Hey, welcome back to V Styles TV. Today I will be showing you how to get these amazing unicorn colors using Joico products, and here is everything that you need. You first want to start by applying your gloves because you definitely do not want to stain your hands or your nails with any of the color. Once that's out the way, we can get straight to the action. Now, I first start by applying 3 to 4 pumps of white conditioner to the color to help stretch the color as well as to moisturize it during your process. And I'm going to put the rose color in one color bowl. Next, I'll add the mauve quartz to my second color bowl. Then we can mix them together with the conditioner. I've already sectioned it off. I like to section off the top and then leave the bottom in its own little section and then create 3 sections in that mid area. Now for the color application, I start with the ends just so I can make sure I'm getting those ends really saturated. I don't want to have any pieces that I missed, and it's easier to start from the ends and work your way up. And once I have enough product on there, that is when I go in with my mascara wand to carefully color near the roots. This helps to control your color and not get that color on the lace. Alright, then I'll just go in with some more product and then get my wand and just spread it throughout. It also is helpful to spread out the color and conserve the color so that you're not wasting and that you're really saturating it all the way through every piece of the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and color the entire back section. And once we get to the midsection, then I will just begin to do the roots. It's a process. Making sure that your roots are fully colored without missing any spots is very important for your overall look. So just go in and do the roots throughout your entire midsection. Once your midsection is complete, you can go ahead and root your top section. That way now you have your entire top and midsection rooted, and then you can go in with your color that you will apply from the mid shaft to the ends. So since I want these colors to melt together, I am feathering in that mauve into the rose color, so that way the colors transition nicely from one to another. Last, you'll steam the wig to saturate the colors. This is the finished look. I am so happy with these colors. I actually decided to color the entire top of it the mauve quartz color because I just think it looks better versus being low lighted with the mauve. So I colored the top of it mauve in quartz, mauve quartz by Joico, and then the pink is the rose pink, which the swatch is actually a lot darker, but I just had a feeling it was going to come out that baby pink color that I wanted. So I'm happy with the results. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time.